my people? What's going down? Want the red light? Give you some red light. Yo, man. I wasn't even gonna make a video about this, but I got to, man. We'll talk about that Quando rondo situation, man. He got shot. His homeboy got shot to death, man. Quando rondo, the one with Lil Timmy, the one that killed King Von, just in case you don't know who he is. He was out there with his homeboy, and his homeboy got shot, killed. Now we all know who that was intended for. It wasn't intended for his homeboy. But so you know, we got a little thing with Lil Durk. We got a little thing with OTF. You know, they want to kill him. The whole Chicago. They blackballed him. You know, first of all, King Von should have never. See, that's the misconception, man. What happened to King Von is the misconception with a lot of y'all niggas out here, man. Y'all don't understand. But let me make it clear for you. Stop running up on people, man. I put that in, I think I got a video. I got a video about that, man. Niggas, stop running up on niggas, man. Stop running up on niggas thinking niggas want to fight. But see, he ran up on a nigga, hit a nigga, thinking the nigga was gonna keep it G, and fight, squabble, whatever you want to call it. That shit a thing of the past. Just to see a straight fist fight is very rare. Nigga get to backing up and getting the dumping on your motherfucking ass. Now you dead because you want to fight. You know? A lot of people say police killed King Von and shot Lil Tim. But we all seen the video. That's self-explanatory. But with the Quando rondo, man, I just wanted to say, man, everything I say in all my videos. Hold on, because I'm taking a turn on the interstate, man. You can't see me. You know what I mean? But all my videos, man, it's my opinion, man. It's my opinion. You know? You got your opinion, I got my opinion. But in that Quando rondo situation, we all know he was the target. That's already, you know, we already established that. Okay, he in LA. What does he rap? Rollin 60s. One of the baddest motherfucking gangs ever in the city of Los Angeles. This nigga from Savannah, Georgia, repping one of the most dangerous gangs ever in LA. The biggest black gang, the most hated black gang, and you in LA. about this, man. Fucking old ass truck, man. One thing I'm gonna tell you is this, man. Rollin 60's got a lot of enemies. They got a lot of fucking enemies, and it ain't. If I know that Quando Rondo's a Rollin 60, then I'm pretty sure everybody else know he's a Rollin 60, and they know he a Crip. You know what I'm saying? But never mind that. See, that's the misconception. A lot of people will say that, oh, it was the Hoovers. Oh, it was this. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times the answer be right in front of your face. A lot of times the answer be right in front of your face and you don't even know it. You know that nigga checked in. You know he did. You know he did. He had to. He in LA. Big U knew he was there. Big U knew what kind of car he was in. Big U, he checked in with Big U. You think he ain't check in with Big U? Come on, bruh. Now, I'm gonna tell you my opinion. My opinion is his ass got back dope. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. I'm thinking that the forces that be hollered at Big U, found out that Quando Rondo was in LA, hollered at Big U, offered Big U some cash to get him up. Now, I'm gonna tell you, whoever was shooting, if you gonna shoot in broad daylight, you might as well, you already done jumped out the fucking window, so you might as well get the job done. You ain't even go back and see if the motherfucker, you ain't even see if somebody else was there. How y'all ain't hit nobody else? It need to be one nigga walking around the car while you shooting. Shooting too. Y'all supposed to hit everybody in that motherfucking car. So I know that was an amateur. They were amateurs. They were amateurs. The niggas that's really about it would have killed everybody in that car. We're already shooting. Broad daylight. Yeah, he was pumping gas. That's how it always happened to you, man. That's how it always happened to niggas, man. Niggas want to pump gas, they want to go get cookies and shit. You know, they want to go fuck bitches, get caught in the hood, go fuck these ratchet ass bitches. Rappers, man, rappers is a short-lived occupation. Being a rapper gotta be the most dangerous job in America. I wouldn't even want that job. I can put words together, but I don't want that job. I'm glad they didn't get it to me. You know what I'm saying? I be stopped somewhere. Motherfucker wanna get a name off me, or motherfucker wanna put me on the news. On rap catch up. I'm trying to tell you, man. That shit was an inside job, man. Somebody knew what he was driving in. Hey, that shit was too organized. Them niggas got out the car in the alley. They knew the terrain. Come on, man. Y'all motherfuckers stop being so damn stupid. They knew the terrain. They knew what alley to park in. They already had their escape. So they must have Googled that bitch or something. I don't know what the fuck them all pull in over here. Bro, they had that shit. I don't know, they was on point. They got out, no words were exchanged. That's a hit, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Y'all niggas don't smell that? Smell like Rollin 60s. It smell like the Rollin 60s, nigga. That's what it smell like. Straight up, ain't nobody recognize him and get out and shoot like that, man. Get the fuck out of here. The Hoovers ain't hot, man. Get the fuck out of here. The Hoovers don't work with the 60s. It don't work like that. The Hoovers don't fuck with the 60s, man. They don't fuck with nothing with the old one. None of that shit. Nothing neighborhood, nigga. They don't fuck with it. You sitting there telling me, I had one nigga said, the Hoovers got with the 60s. Man, get the fuck out of here. You already killed the whole conversation right there, man. Get the fuck out of here. Quando, rondo ain't that fucking important for them niggas to come together like that. Nah, bro. Come on, man. Y'all, come on. Come on, man. You know? You know, it's just like Biggie Smalls' death, man. Everybody think Puff is a bitch. Everybody think Puff a bitch. Puff ain't no goddamn bitch. Fuck wrong with you? Puff one of the most gangsters. Shit, fuck the muscles. He don't need no muscle. Puff one of the most gangsterest motherfuckers in the industry, man. Why wouldn't he have Biggie Smalls killed? He was worth more dead than he was alive. He was geared to lead. He had under his records. He took Lil' Kim. He was geared to take the locks with him. He had Junior Mafia on his side. He's starting his own fucking label. He gonna put his albums on his own label. So you know he gonna drop another one. Victory was meant for life after death. He put Victory on the family, on Puff Daddy and the family. Victory's supposed to be on life after death. But y'all, you know, y'all don't see shit, man. Y'all don't see shit. Just like the Young Dolph shit, that wasn't no coincidence. Niggas still keep going back to the hood. Let me tell you something, man. Nipsey Hussle, man. Nipsey Hussle looking down or looking up, whatever one. Because you know, with the gang shit, sometimes you get involved in some shit that'll put you down there. But Nipsey gotta be looking at it like, I was slipping. Now you don't remember, see y'all think y'all see everybody wanna talk Nip, man, Nip, man, they killed Nip, man. Y'all niggas don't know the song that he made. The song that he made coming out. It's lost some boys in this. I don't want no copyright. This is Nipsey Hussle lyrics. I don't know. I ain't playing the music. But he was like, why you niggas outside without no gun? Y'all think this shit is a game? But no, not at all. I pop out, show you niggas I ain't playing. Pull the trigger, shoot that nigga. Yeah, I've been listening to Nipsey that long, nigga. Make sure that you get him, cause bullets ain't got no name. Did you hear what I said in the hook? Why you niggas outside without no gun? You think this shit is a game? But no, not at all. No. Fuck that shit, nigga. Live by your lyrics, nigga. Shit, you said why you niggas outside without no gun? You think this shit is a game, nigga? But no, not at all, nigga. I hop out, show you niggas I ain't playing. You let Eric Holder take you out, nigga? You should have been scrapped. You should have been scrapped. Whoever, you, man, hell no. Lord of 60 got enemies, man. Who the fuck you think wouldn't want to take Nip out? You think one of them young ass Hoover niggas wouldn't want to take Nip out? One of them 5 deuce Hoovers? One of them young 5 dudes Hoovers wouldn't want to take them out. Maybe he had love like that. Maybe he would have got a pass. But still, nigga, you in South Los Angeles, nigga. The heart of the bullshit. And you mean to tell me you ain't got nobody around you with no pistol? Quando, rondo, you mean to tell me you ain't got nobody around you with no pistol? You ain't got no other Escalade behind that motherfucker with niggas ready to tear some shit up? Why you ain't get your shit bulletproof? There's a whole lot of goddamn questions because your dumb ass, you almost died, bro. That could have been you laying down there and your homeboy saying, no! And for y'all motherfuckers making that video, man, that shit, man, that shit's some bullshit, man. That shit dead wrong, man. Do we not care about each other as a people? Do we hate each other, man? We love to see violence against each other, man. What the fuck is the problem, man? God damn, y'all. Shit, man. They doing a reenactment on fucking Quando Rondo, homeboy getting killed. They think that shit funny. Motherfuckers think that shit funny, man. Is this what we living in? This the fucking, man, we fucked up, bro. And y'all stupid ass rappers, man, y'all still not bulletproof. Do you know that your occupation is probably the most dangerous in the world? Y'all ain't riding bulletproof. All that goddamn money y'all be showing and spreading this shit, all this goddamn money y'all putting in y'all teeth and y'all fucking bullshit, and you mean to tell me you ain't got nothing bulletproof? Just like Biggie said, bulletproof glass tents if I want some ass. God damn, nigga, what was the bulletproof shit at? Where was the bulletproof shit? Fuck that shit, I ain't going to Cali. Man, I got beef with Cali, Tupac dead, and you mean to tell me that I ain't gonna have nothing bulletproof? And that nigga fucking, the first escort truck go through the light, he'll stop at the light. If you in an entourage, you dumb motherfuckers, you don't supposed to be stopping at no goddamn light. But if one go through, both going through. If y'all gonna stay at the light, both of y'all gonna stay at the light. The lead car shouldn't run no shit like that if he know, man, that's bullshit, man. Bullshit. That's why Puff be looking like that, man. Puff a murderer, man. Do you know he tried to have Suge Knight killed? He paid the Southside Crips to fucking, y'all ain't know that? Puff, before y'all even knew who Keefy D was, the West Coast knew. Southern California, I mean LA and Compton knew who Keefy D was, but y'all didn't. How the hell an East Coast rapper gonna find out who they enemies and try to pay them to kill them? And y'all still think Puff a bitch. He ain't even go to jail for that shit. Quando Rondo, man, you lucky, man. Stop dissing King Von, man. That could have been Lil Durk. It could have been Lil Durk too now. Lil Durk could have paid somebody. He could have found out he was in LA. Shit. You know who was in LA? Chief Keef. He could have found out he was in LA. Tato and them, they could have found out he was in LA. They could have sent some niggas at him. You feel what I'm saying? Somebody could have spotted the nigga. This wasn't no random shit, though. This wasn't no random shit. But I can't tell you, they sent the wrong fuckers. They sent the wrong motherfuckers. The right motherfuckers would have made sure everybody was dead in that bitch. Straight up. check for survivors, goddammit. Fuck that shit, bitch. You gonna die. I'm coming out there risking my motherfucking life. You could have been a cop right on the damn around the corner. It could have been shit. You know, it could have been a cop like right over there. You know what I'm saying? And for them niggas to risk their fucking freedom like that, all out, jump out, they, you know, goddamn, get the job done. That's all I'm saying. Shit, what the fuck? Why the fuck is there so much goddamn hate? Goddamn, man. That shit crazy. You can't even rap. You can't even fucking rap. Goddamn. You can't do shit. That's why I stay the fuck away from y'all. You know what I'm saying? I try to stay the fuck away from black people, man. Too many black people equals trouble. The threat to your life is a black motherfucker, man. Come on, man. We killing each other. All we gotta do is come together and stop killing each other, man. And we be the strongest race on the planet. They know we ain't gonna come together. The Ku Klux Klan ain't gotta do shit. Y'all talking about the Ku Klux Klan. Ku Klux Klan don't kill nobody, no niggas. The Arab Brotherhood don't kill no niggas. Y'all kill niggas. Niggas kill niggas. Shit, y'all talking about the police, nigga. We need to get it right between us first. Then we can worry about the police. That's all I'm saying. And yeah, to y'all rap niggas, bulletproof shit. Get your shit right. Pay some people. Get some people to come legally with legal guns. That's what I do. Shit, I do it now. You feel what I'm saying? I make sure people around me legal. So that way when they bust a cap in your ass, we ain't gotta go nowhere. We ain't gotta run. We need to sit there and stare at you blowing spit bubbles and shit. Do it legally. That's all. Anyway, man. Fucked up situation, man. Happened to Quando, Rondo. Quando, Rondo, you need to get the fuck out of Savannah. Fuck that war. You should wake up on this one. This one should wake your ass up. I'm out, man. Peace, all my peoples. Peace, man. Love y'all, man. You know how we do. You feel what I'm saying? Peace.